Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here you have cyclohexane with diketone. You are reacting with aldehyde which has alpha chlorine, and you are using the base. You have to find what will be the final product. Here you are using the base and you have active methylene group. Base subtract the proton, you have anion. Here anion is the nucleophile, it attacks the chlorine because it has better charge quenching mechanism rather than aldehyde. So you have new CC bond, you have aldehyde inside the system. Then you have reactive aldehyde and ketone. There is a possibility of condensation reaction because the stability of ring drives the reaction. You have new 5-member ring. Then the water elimination leads to 5-member stable furan, which is the aromatic system. So there is a stability in the end product which drives the whole reaction. The concept you have to learn here is chemoselectivity. The carbon with the leaving group will be the reaction center. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion, comment below.